Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of array in C programming and it is part 4. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss array programs. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, now we are going to write a C program to find out the sum of two one-dimensional array and store it in another array. So guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn how can we find out the sum of two one-dimensional array. So I have declared three one-dimensional array of size 5 A, B and S. So first of all, I am taking input from the user for the array A by using this scanf function. After that, I am printing each element from this array A by using this for loop. After that, I am taking input from the user for array B by using this for loop. After that, I am going to print each element from the array B. And after that, I am going to add array A and array B and each element will be stored to S. So initially value of I will be 0 and then it will check this condition. So 0 less than 5, this condition is true. Then A of 0 plus B of 0 will be assigned to S of 0. Then it will execute the I++, so the I will be 1 and then it will check this condition again. So 1 less than 5 and this condition will also be true. Then A of 1 plus B of 1 will be assigned to S of 1 and this process will be repeated until this condition is true. After that, I am going to print each element from the array S by using this print function. So now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the values in array A. So let me enter the 5 values in array A. So it is printing the values from array A and that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it is requesting to enter the values in array B. So let me enter the values in array B. So it is printing the values of array B and that is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And after that it is basically printing the sum of A and B and that is 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Moving further guys. So guys, now we are going to write a C program to merge the two one-dimensional arrays to third one. So let me open up the Turbo C++ again. So guys, in this program we are going to learn how can we merge two one-dimensional array into third one. So I have declared two array A and B of size 5 and the size of third array will be 10 because we are going to merge two arrays of size 5. After that, I am taking input from the user for array A by using a scanf function and then I am printing each element from the array A by using this for loop and print function. After that, I am taking input from the user by using scanf function for the array B and then we are going to print each element from the array B and then I am going to merge these two arrays A and B into third array, that is M. So initially when the value of I is 0, so 0 less than 5, so this condition will be true and then A of 0 will be assigned to M of 0 and B of 0 will be assigned to M of 5 and then I++ will be executed. So the value of I will be 1 and then 1 less than 5, so this condition will be true and then A of 1 will be assigned to M of 1 and B of 1 will be assigned to M of 6 and this process will continue until this condition is true. After that, we will print each element from this array M. So now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the values in array A. So let me enter the 5 values in array A. So it is printing each element from array A and that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it is requesting to enter the values in array B. So let me enter the 5 values in array B. So first of all, it is printing each element from array B and that is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and at the end it is printing each element from the array M and now you can see that all the arrays A and B are merged into array M. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.